back to the channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Guys, the yard sale is over, at least for this weekend. We're gonna do it again next weekend. Honestly, this was Father's Day. It wasn't a great day to do it, but I was listening to that live that Gypsy was on with the notorious Natasha Cooper. Guys, do you know who Natasha Cooper is? I need to bring this up because I think a lot of people don't know who Natasha Cooper is and what kind of person she is. So I want to show you a couple of things, because let me tell you, this Natasha Cooper is one of the worst of the worst. This is a woman that was grifting and saying she was taking up money for children at Christmas, but she didn't give it to the children. She pocketed the money. This is a YouTuber that has been in jail several times, and I've got pictures of it to show you. This is also a woman that's a racist that has publicly put things on her page. And I found that too, but I'm not going to show you guys the picture of that because I will never have anything like that on my channel. It's disgusting. Now, let me tell you something else this woman has done. Back about 2 or 3 years ago, there was a true crime case where a little boy named Gannon Stouch was unalived by his stepmother. Natasha Cooper is one of the YouTubers that actually received the autopsy pictures of this baby boy. I mean, he wasn't a baby, but he was a little boy. She got these crime scene pictures and put them behind a paywall for people to pay her money to see this poor little boy, this innocent little boy's autopsy pictures. This is the person that Gypsy and Christy are hanging out with. Hold on, let me show you my receipts. So to me, this is concerning. This is one of Gypsy's friends. And you know, what my mom always told me is birds of a feather. Guilty by association. This is the kind of people that Gypsy is hanging out with. And this is also the people that supporting Gypsy. Look at who she hangs out with. She's just as bad as the people that she hangs out with. And this is who she's hanging out with. Disgusting. I mean, just plain disgusting. And you can't look up Natasha Cooper on YouTube because she has a lifetime ban on YouTube. Every time she'll come back on YouTube for a day or two and then they'll take her down. That's how bad this woman is. So guys, just think. This is who Gypsy and her family hang out with. This is the people who they put trust in. This is the people that they call friends. That should tell you everything that you need to know about Gypsy Rose Blanchard. Guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Love you guys.